chores. Now I can call Harry. Yeah. Hey, Harry. Hey, did you hear that coming out with a movie based on your life? Yeah, it's done by the Muggles. They got a little wrong, though. They actually thought that you defeated Voldemort. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Whoa. Whoa! Who are you? Who are you? What are you doing here?
I'm a Jedi. I sent someone in near this house that is very powerful with the Force.
The Force?
The Force. I can feel it. The Force. The Force. The Force. The Force. The Force.
Ah! 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 Where are you taking me?
The Jedi Temple.
Ow!
This is the Jedi Temple.
What? Oh. Ouch! What's that? What are these?
These are my friends. This is my friend. This is also my friend. And this is my master.
Your master's a goblin?
Don't you dare insult Yoda. And, where is it? And this is me. Here's my teddy ship. It gets me warm at night. And this is my dog, Rafa. I think he likes you. And watch out for the flying monkey.
Get it off me! I'm tired of you and your tricks. I want to get over!